I still want to do Dundee. We haven't done Splash. We haven't done Matterhorn. We haven't done At Night. Haunted Mansion. We haven't seen the fireworks. We haven't ate dinner. We haven't shopped. We haven't gotten an apple. We haven't taken a nap. Like, there's just so much we still have to do.
I think you're serious and I'm stressing me out.
I think you're just stressed, nervous.
Yeah.
The gatherers. As gatherers, we travel across the galaxy, searching for knowledge and relics from the past, and we bring it back here for a purpose, the same purpose that brought you here today, the purpose of building this. Enough about that, builders, because this moment is about you. It is time for you to choose your kyber crystal. The gatherers are coming around for you to select yours. Feel the force. Reach out and select one that is calling to you. It'll be your strongest connection. Once you've selected your crystal, please place it on that holder in front of you. The pieces that we're placing in front of you are the ones that you all selected previously. And the way that you put these pieces together will be a unique reflection of you as a builder.
I feel the weight of it.
Did you need assistance? I'll say they all look fantastic, but they're
How did it feel? Did you feel like you were wielding the Force?
Oh, yeah.
Do you feel like Yoda is here with you?
Right, once you
Who's
have
Yoda?
those crystals inside, you
Who's
can select the options of your box.
No, I can't.
This is not right.
Okay, so now this next part, I need everybody's attention. You pull up. This is more
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
wow. Master Yoda. Builders. He must be able to sense the bond that you all form together in this room. And so now, I think it's time we complete that bond between Builder and Saber. So please, Builders, step back up to your workstation. Place a hand on your hilt, but don't activate the thing. Move all together as one. Are you ready? Activate! Builders, bring your saber.
You're the only green?
You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi Sith on Forces. And like them, you too teach the galaxy. Remember,
Slytherin color. Love it.
Raise them high and proud, Builders.
Alright, guys, another thing is you get a pin when you're there, depending on like what side you're on. This
Depending on what nature. They didn't do a very good job explaining it. Like reading the guides and stuff, they go in detail. They tell you like what each one stands for. Here they're like, hey, it's $230. It's like cool, like sell me on it first.
So do your research.
Ones. You want me to tell them?
Do your research. Yeah, go for it. You'll be the research.
Alright, so it's 4 ones. So you can do power and control, which, of course, protection and defense.
She's back? Okay, keep going, sorry.
Elemental nature, which is the one you didn't like with like the tooth on it. And then peace and justice, which is the one I went with.
I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, that I saw Travis Barker.
Where?
Isn't he like the drummer from Blink-182?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I saw him with his family.
That's cool.
I could be wrong. I'm gonna Google it.
We live in California.
I think I saw him.
They have like tattoos everywhere.
He's hard to miss. Yeah, I know what he looks like.
Yeah, I'd seen that.
But he looked really young.
Yeah.
But he looked really young when, yeah. But yeah, just keep an eye out because I'm pretty sure I saw him. Did not have time to take my camera out, and I don't like filming people that way.
Vacation,
yeah. But yeah.
Cool.
When hinges squeak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the hall, then there are haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
We have been unavoidably detained by phantom spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please.
They have selected you to fill out until you
Alright, we did Haunted Mansion. Do you like this one?
It's okay.
We got lucky. It was supposed to be a 35-minute wait, but they opened the second lane, and we got to go on the second lane. So we only waited 25 minutes, including the ride. Some people are kind of angry. I would be angry too if you were waiting in line and they opened the other one, you know? Alright, you guys, we are getting Bengal barbecue again. We are in our own little corner, actually. It's really cute. Interestingly, we have Brendan's lightsaber now, as you saw, and we have to go on rides with it. And that's interesting, because I know at Disney World, they like have people hand them off to them, but not here. So, if you're gonna get a lightsaber, try to get it towards the end of your day rather than the beginning, otherwise you're gonna have to haul it. I'm curious if they have like a lock, there's no locker big enough for it. So I don't know if customer service is willing to hold them or not because they're so expensive. I don't know. Interested. Let me know if you figured out like what to do with it. We are at 7:34. We've done a lot actually. The only thing that's missing is Matterhorn if it reopens. Matterhorn is so temperamental, so do it as soon as you can. Splash Mountain. It's been 60 since like 3 p.m. It finally went down to 15 minutes because it's cooler. So we're gonna do it now. So we need Splash Mountain, Space Mountain if we can fit it in, Matterhorn if it reopens. I think we bought most of the food we wanted, except for a corn dog. Yeah. But yeah, really pretty area. This is where regrets get made. We just did Splash Mountain. Brendan got not at all wet. A little bit. A little bit. Same with me. I lifted my sleeves of my shirt and I put my hair up. I did take my socks off in the ride because it takes forever to get to the drop. And I don't like wet socks, and I didn't bring an extra pair, so I just took them off, which is a good choice because I would have gotten splashed on the left shoe. First person in our little boat got soaked. That used to be Brian. And that's it, really. What are we gonna do next? Matterhorn, maybe? People are lining up for fireworks, but we don't want to kill an hour and a half. So you guys will still get fireworks, but not like, you know, up front and personal. But yeah, just an update. Brendan is obsessed with this trading post. Obsessed.
What?
Nothing. Dang, that was a good crunch. We got it here. Here, corn dogs. Okay, it's 9:20, 10 minutes till the fireworks. It's wild. So many people. Definitely wearing face masks. Too many.
Pushing it. Made it myself.
We don't have to hurry once we're here. There's a bunch of people in there.
I just want to make about to do it.
Alright, you guys. I haven't seen you in a minute. Oh, I can't believe I just said that. I haven't seen you in a while. Fireworks happened. We did Matterhorn at night. It said 50 minutes. It ended up being 20 minutes. What was the longest we waited? 20 minutes.
Probably.
All day. I don't think it ever went longer than 20 minutes.
It showed longer, but not actually longer.
Ever. And then we went to fireworks. We found a little crook. Not the best footage, as you'll see. But Brendan tried to lie. He actually did it for us because he's tall. And then
The trick is to glide with the rope, and at the very end to take off the rope. I didn't say that.
I actually want to stay, like if I give you a tip, stay on Main Street at the front of Main Street so that you can see the castle and that you can see the buildings.
Yeah, there's a lot of the buildings happening there.
Yeah, the DJ mix was awesome. I would work out to it. I would go to a club with it. So that was fun. I edited a short for you guys. It's awful, I'm sorry, but I knew you guys wanted to see it. Brendan's still distracted. And then
The other one.
and then the fireworks ended at 9:50. About?
Yeah.
9:52?
9:45.
Oh, okay. Oh, dang. That took us a while. But we had to like fight traffic to get to Space Mountain. Just like we always finish here. So I walked because I walked slower and Brendan got us some freshly made churros. How was it? Was it worth it?
Yeah. I mean, yours is getting a little cold, but...
Oh, I'll eat it right now. How was the corn dog?
Really good. It had bacon ketchup.
It sounded
It
crunchy.
was very American.
Yeah. But yeah. And I'm at 400 today. Yay! It's been a long time coming. But I got so excited. Yeah, it's 404. I got 5 new subbies today. I don't want to call you guys subbies. I'm sorry. I've had 5 of you guys today. Hopefully it's more when you watch this, but
What do you call your fan base? Insubordinates?
ah, that'd be funny. Leave me a comment what I
Your
should.
insubs?
I don't know how to call them or anything. They're all independent people, you know?
That's fair.
What does PewDiePie call his people? Bros?
You can have something.
The line ends there. Wow, they're so fast. He's like a kid. Your mom heard it. 10:25. They were not lying that it was 25 minutes. Guys, I got Michael Sasky. I don't know if I made this up. I don't think I did. But you know how in Monsters Inc. Michael Sasky never shows his eye in pictures? That's me. Anytime we like are on a ride, my picture gets blocked by somebody like with their hand up. So I always end up with pictures like this from somebody else's hand. Hopefully you're listening and not distracted by the Jedi behind me. So when you come in and there's a show or fireworks, get pictures in before what? You think 6? Before 6? Otherwise they close out the castle. But yeah. Any other lessons we learned? Buy the lightsaber late, like whatever the latest time you can. You have to take it on every ride.
It looks really cool at night.
It does. But you do have to take it on every ride.
Sound effects.
He's like a child. Hi you guys. It's 11:22. We did some light shopping, nothing too crazy. And we're walking back to the hotel. Favorite ride of the day?
Matterhorn, of course.
The night version or the morning version?
Both.
Okay. Front or back was better? Both. Okay, Matterhorn's just great.
Yeah.
For me it was Thunder Mountain in the evening because it's cooler. Fireworks were really fun and nice. Best thing you ate?
I don't know.
Skewer for me. Well, chimichanga of course, but the skewer.
What else do we have? Anything else?
You had fries, corn dog.
This one also was substantial. No, it didn't.
No.
I guess the breakfast Ronto had potential.
That's gonna win? Are you kidding? You trashed it.
It was disappointing, but the flavor was good. I guess it's because it didn't have the original Ronto Raspberry. I'm gonna say the Ronto Raptor.
Oh my god, he literally trashed it.
Not the breakfast one, but the other one I didn't have. So best thing.
Alright you guys, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys liked our day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. We hit 400 today. I'm super excited. And until next time, adios.